Hi everyone, we are in Qibao. Visiting China, don't miss an opportunity to try street food, otherwise your impression of China won't be full. I know many people hesitate to try local food. Yes, it looks bright, tasty, but at first it might seem quite exotic. Today we'll dispel any doubts about street Chinese food because we are going to try the most popular of them. Here we go! So many different and delicious dishes. Oh, this caramel fruit! Caramel fruit look really amazing. They always grab my attention when I pass by, but I've never tried them before because I thought that they are too hard for biting. So let's try. Oh, what is this? This is dongzi. This dish made of glutinous rice and wrapped bamboo leaves or reed leaves. And I know that this dish is cooked by steaming or boiling. It looks interesting. This is baozi, famous Chinese food. Many people eat them for breakfast. As you can see, there are different variations of them. I love to choose this one. So it's finally time for trying out our food. So here we go. As you can see, Chinese street food is enjoyable. Today we've tried only several dishes. Meet me in my next show to experience more. See you soon, good luck and enjoy your traveling!